Hey everyone, I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review, and I'm here checking out Milwaukee's M12 hammer drill and impact driver. First thing you notice about these is the size. They are really small. 6.6 inches, 2.8 pounds for the drill, and 5.1 inches, 1.76 pounds for the impact. These M12s are great to pull out for tight spaces and great for quick go bags, but there's no reason that you couldn't use them for your all-day carry as well. I can't think of much on a regular day that I do that one of these couldn't take care of, and the less weight I have to carry, the better. Sturdy belt clip that can be switched for righty-lefty, easy to read battery power indicator, nice strong headlight. For the hammer drill, you have 2 speeds, 16 different options, and the drill hammer setting. For the impact, 4 options for 3 speeds, and the last for self-driving sheet metal screws. These are going to be perfect for the cabin installer, the electrician, the service pro, the woodworker, basically anyone who needs a lot of power in a small size. Thanks for watching. I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review. See you next time.